Right lads, you know who you are and you know what you've been doing. And what you've been doing basically is looking at these unbelievably cool Honda Civics and you'd be going, yeah, I'd really love one of them and I'm going to do something about that and I'm going to keep throwing it on the long finger and you know, someday nothing's going to happen. So, here's the thing, right? Honda are recognizing, will say that there is people like you out there and you need a bit of a kick in the bum to get into the showroom and have a look at these cars. There is such serious value in these cars. They're absolutely fabulous looking. And now there is a reason that will help you make the decision rather than put it off to the next year or something like that. What am I talking about? There's offers basically on the 1 litre petrol, Honda Civic, on the 1.5, and also on the 1.6 diesel, and we all have them in stock. We are Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I absolutely love the Honda Civic. I am one of the biggest fans of the Honda Civic in the country, so come talk to me. If there's something you want to know about this model, I can find out, or I'm sure I can tell you. And if I don't know, I'll find someone that does. 086-843-1945 if you want information on them. So anyway, what is the offer? The offer is based on finance and there's also some servicing options as well. So let's have a quick look at the 3 different models that you can choose from and then we'll have a talk about the offers. The first model comes in 1 single litre, but it is turbocharged and it's got 127 horsepower. It is €200 a year for road tax, and because I didn't put my foot in the clutch, it wouldn't start. Okay, let's have a look. This is a typical example of one here. Smart Plus, 1 litre. This is a stonker of an engine. It's great crack to drive. It sounds cool actually when you put your foot down. It's really rewarding to drive. And it looks damn cool as well. This one's white orchid pearl. The one behind me over here is a rally red, but we have other ones in stock as well. Basically, on a car like this, we are now able to offer you 3.9% APR on a PCP. That is somewhere in the region of saving you about €1,000 over the term, or somewhere in the region of 25 to 30 euros a month. They are vague ideas, but that's roughly the kind of experience I'm getting talking to people here at the moment. So that is a big saving. So that has to be giving you a bit of an idea that maybe now's the time to do it. They are the 1 litres, but there's more. I mean, that 1 litre there is absolutely stunning, but I am just obsessed with .5, that is 1.5 4-cylinder turbo, 182 horsepower. That car is great crack. That is a GT model, and then there's also an S design like this one here. If you want to come drive one of them, please do visit the garage here anytime. Come drive that car, get out of it, and tell me that you don't like it, and like, I'm just never going to talk to you. But if you're normal and you like this car, we can totally hang out. This is a deadly car. That car, the one outside, the red one, right? That's 29.5 grand. 29.5 grand. 29.5 grand. Like, that is serious value for money for what you're getting. And there is now a reason to do it because, again, you're on 3.9% APR, like we're saying to you, big saving over your loan or bringing down your monthly payments enough to actually tax and service the car over the period of time. But, let's face it, some people do a lot of driving. These cars, they're good on fuel, but some people need that extra bit. So there's still a diesel option, and there's actually a unique diesel offer as well. So I totally get it. You want a cool looking car, but you got to munch up those miles. Here is a car that's going to be doing in the region of 60 to 70 miles per gallon, but it's a 1.6 diesel, 120 horsepower, but it's still fun to drive with 300 newton meters of torque. Like the 1 litre petrol, it is still really nice looking, and it's got lots of stuff like the parking sensors, cruise control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, loads of safety features, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blah. Absolutely loads of stuff all in that car as well, but you get a super economical engine, 180 euros for road tax, and it does serious MPGs as well. And like the old Honda Civic that went before it, well, not old, it's the previous model Honda Civic, really good reliability, no big problems with clutches and flywheels and DPFs and all that kind of stuff. Really good car. But you're going to get a specific offer on that car. So if you remember, 1.5 was over here, 1 litre was over here. You're getting 3.9% APR on those. Happy days. But if you're doing a bit of driving, you got more motoring expenses, so you need a little bit more help and a little bit more of a kick in the bum to get in here. This is going to give you first 2 services for free. Plus, if you don't want to go on a PCP because you might be doing a lot of mileage, so you're worried about what the car is going to be worth at the end, you can go on HP at 3.9%. Again, massive saving over the period of time. Up to €1,000 off your loan is now saved, or bringing down your monthly payments by 20 to 30 euros. So that's a great offer for somebody that's got to spend a lot of money on their motoring all day, every day. So basically, just to recap, as we were saying, we have 1 litres in stock, like this one here, in various different specifications. There's 3 models in those. Give me a shout, I can go through them with you, 086 843 1945. And for a limited time, you have a 3.9% PCP, where basically you look to flip over your loan every 3 years. However, there's a little bit more to be explained, so please do give me a shout and I'll go through that with you. You got the Super Daddy here, 1.5 turbo in various models, and those cars, again, are on 3.9% PCP for a limited time only. So get your BUM in here and have a look at these. Also on the Civic over here in diesel, you're going to have a specific offer, but instead of going for the 3-year flip over, you might go for the long-term 4 to 5 year HP. So remember, PCP is a 3-year flipper, 4 to 5 years is your longer term HP. However, at the end, you don't have to change the car. You can literally drive it into the ground. And remember, Honda are going to give you free services at the very, very start on this car as well. If none of this makes sense, that is possibly down to my really thick country accent or my poor explaining ability. So please do give me a shout, 086 843 1945. No matter where you are in the country, I'll be dead happy to go through any information you want, even if you're down the country, even if you never came into us. Just ring me about Honda Civics. Quite happy to talk about them anytime at all, because they're damn cool. We can take any trade. But remember, guys, the idea is these offers are limited. So again, trade-in wise, we can take anything you have. Doesn't matter, 2 wheels, 4 wheels, whatever it is, give us a shout. Any car, we can make an offer, no problem. But these offers are limited. These PCP, HP and servicing offers are limited, and that's kind of giving you the catalyst to go, do you know what, feck it, now is the time I'm going to go and look at one of those Honda Civics. I've been looking at them on the road, and I'm going to, why not, go in, find out, drive up the road, see do I really like it, and if I do, how much it's going to cost me, and can I afford it, and now's the time to do it for me, because they're giving us these incentives from Honda. So, thank you for taking time to watch. I really appreciate it. If you watch the whole video, it is much appreciated. And if there's any information you want, please do give me a call, 086 843 1945, or text or whatever, WhatsApp. And hopefully chat to you soon.